Sitaram International School, we create confident kids. Hi dears, how are you dears? This is your Uma ma'am. Okay, I hope you are all fine dears. Yeah. Okay. What are you doing dears? All time we are watching online class? No, ma'am. Ah, uh, sometimes we are all watching online class. Other time? See, I think you are all playing. It's correct? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, okay, dears. How do you feel? I hope you are all feel happy, dears. Why are you happy? When we all get happy? We are when we are playing, that time you are feel more happy. Do you like to play? Yeah, super. What type of games do you like? Tell. Mobile games? Oh, it's not boring. Always playing with mobile phone, yeah? Nothing, dears. There are some more games for us, dears. Okay. I think you have lot of playthings in our school. Like seesaw. Tell the name. Seesaw. What is this? Swing. What is this? Ladder. What is this, dears? Slide. Yeah, superb. What is this, dears? I didn't know, dears. What, dears? Spinning wheel. But now what, dears? But now you didn't go to school, so we are unhappy. I think we are all feel unhappy. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, dears. No, nothing. Today I'll teach some indoor and outdoor games. Okay. What is indoor games? What is, dears? Yeah, we play some games inside our house. They are called indoor games. Yeah, very good. What is indoor games? We play some games inside our house. Okay. These are called indoor games. Okay, dears. Indoor games must be played inside only, but outdoor games must be played outside only. Okay. Now we are going to say I will teach some indoor games. Okay. Ludo. What is this? Ludo. This is an indoor game. Yeah. Building blocks and kids. What is this? Yes. Have you building and blocks? Yeah. You make some buildings, some vehicles, some more and more, some houses. You see here. What is this? There are make some houses. Yeah, superb. Can you try in your home? Okay. Okay, dears. Today all are try these games. Okay. What is this, dears? I didn't know. Have you? Do you tell the answer? Anybody say the answer? Yeah, nice, very good. This is a chessboard. What is this? Chess. There are lot of. What is this? Lot of soldiers, king, horse, queen, and so and so. Okay, these games are very interesting, dears. Okay, if you you will come to school, I will teach these games. Okay, yeah. What is this, dears? Here some letters, snake. What? Some numbers. Do you guess what is this? Super! Snakes and ladder. Yeah, what is this, dears? Very good. Snakes and ladder. If you play in the dice, you have suddenly get down from the ladder. Okay. Sometimes if you play the dice, suddenly you are in the ladder. So this is called snakes and ladder. Yeah. What is this? Can you guess? What is this? Yeah, super, dears. Yeah, correct. Absolutely right, dears. This is a carom board. What is this? Carom. Yeah, there are more tigers. You put in the okay. You put in the pit. Okay, dears. Can we play? Can you play these games? Yeah, good. Keep it up. Okay, dears. What is this, dears? These are playing in youth only. Okay, youth, adult, then men's. What is this? Boxing. What is this? Boxing. What type of game, dear? Yeah, superb. This is a ball. What game? Can you guess? Yeah, volleyball. What is this? Volleyball. Yeah. What is this, dears? Can you guess? Yeah, shuttle. This is a cock. So, badminton. So, we have to use shuttle and cock for these games. Okay? Yeah. What is this? This is a table. Tennis. What is this? Table tennis. What type of game? What is the name of the game? Table tennis. 10th one. What is this, dear? Snooker. This is a snooker. Somebody you have to say billiards and so on. So, okay. Squash. What is this? Squash. What is this, dears? Do you guess? Bowling. Here, bowling game. This is a bowling game. What is this? Yeah, very good. This is swimming. Yeah. Can you do swim? Can you swim? How is it? Yeah. It's very useful, dears. Okay. This is a very useful for us. So if you will learn to swim. Okay? Yeah. This is, what is this? I didn't say. You can you see? Can you see? What? Think and tell. Did you see this? What? Yeah, Pallanguli. You have? Have you Pallanguli in your home? Anybody have you? Yeah, some. You asked your mom and grandmas. Play this Pallanguli. Okay? Yeah, in ancient and traditional game. Pallanguli was the ancient and traditional game, dears. Yeah, it was very interesting, dears. It has 2 players only. Okay? Already I told what is this? Snakes and ladder. Okay. Okay, dears. Now we are going to see outdoor games. What is outdoor games, dears? What is outdoor games? Yeah. What is indoor games? See anybody? Yeah. Indoor games must be played inside only. Outdoor games must be played outside only. Okay. These are outside games. So, outdoor games. Okay. Okay. What is this, dears? This ball is what? Can you guess? I did not say the answer. Can you tell? Yeah, football. What is this? Football. Yeah, superb. What is this, dears? This is football. Have you football in your home? Anybody have? No. There are more footballs in our school. Okay. Shall we play? Okay. What is this? This is also a football. What is this, dears? Badminton. Already I told badminton. This is a shuttle and cock. We have to use shuttlecock. Okay. What is this, dears? Anybody say? Okay. Tell. I think you didn't know these games. Okay. Hopscotch. What is this? Hopscotch. After opening school, shall we play these games? Okay? Okay, dears. What is this, dears? Do you know well? Have you guessed? Yeah, this is a cricket. Do you like cricket? Yeah, superb, dear. Last time do you watching IBL? Yeah. Who is he? Anybody guess? Anybody guess his name? Can you tell? Yeah. He is Sachin Tendulkar. He is most famous in the cricket. Okay. This is a team of cricket team. This is a cricket team. This is our Indian cricket team. Who is he? Very good. Superb, dear. He is leader of our cricket team. Yeah. He won the World Cup match. He won the cup, dears. For our team. His name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, sir. Okay. What is the play? What game? Golf. Golf. What is golf? I think, do you watch? Huh? Do you watch these types of game in the TV? Yeah. Do you watch in the TV? Skating. Have you skating shoes? Have you seen the skating shoes? Yeah, this is a skating. This is very interesting, dears. In our school, we have taught this type of games, dears. Yeah. What is this? Hide and seek. It's very, very interesting, dears. Yeah. These games are very interesting. We choose one player and close his eyes. Okay. Others hide. Okay. We have to play very interesting, dears. This is a hide and seek. What is this, dears? Coco. What is this? Coco. This is a coco. Kabaddi. Yeah. Kabaddi. Do you say this game? This is a kabaddi. This is one of the outdoor game, dears. This is our state game, dears. Yeah, kabaddi is a state game. Yeah, this is a gilli tanda. What is this? This is ancient games. You ask to your father and grandfather. Okay, what is gilli tanda for daddy? Okay. How do you play the gilli tanda? Latu. What is this? This is a latu. What is this? Kancha or marbles. These games also played a very ancient boys. Okay. What is this, dears? Yeah, this is a hockey game. This is one of the outdoor game, dears. This is our national game, dears. Yeah, which is a state game. Yeah, kabaddi. Kabaddi is our state game. So hockey is our national game. So hockey is our national game, dears. Okay. Okay, dears. We have games give some benefits, some more benefits, dears. Okay. What is this? We have improve our. What is this? Improve our health. You have strong health. Improve mental health. Then can you say? You have very strong. You have maintained body condition, dears. Good for health. It is good for health. Then develop your leadership quality. You have developed your leadership quality. Then what are the another benefit? Better sleep. Yeah, super. Better sleep. Increase confidence level. Increasing your confidence. Yeah. Then reduces our stress, dear. Somebody is more happy, sometimes it have unhappy, so that time you have to play. We get we reduce that stress. Okay, you come out the stress. Okay. Then intelligence, speed. We have to uh, s- get more speed, yes. Then awareness. Okay. You watching others, you searching others always. So we have to get more awareness. Yeah. Then happy, enjoyment. Last we have to get more happy. So always daily evening. Do you play in your home? Okay. Shall we play? Shall you play in your home? Yeah. Tomorrow onwards, shall you? You will play in your home. Okay, dears. Thank you, dears. We will meet our next class. Okay. Bye bye.